హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను. మీడియా అందరూ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ హియర్. చాలా సేపు తర్వాత హైదరాబాద్లో ఈవెంట్ చేస్తున్నాను. యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా అంటే మేబీ ఒక 1 month. సో చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను. ఈరోజు ఆర్నోరా జ్యువెలరీ స్టోర్కి వచ్చాను అండ్ ఇక్కడ జెన్యూన్గా జ్యువెలరీ చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. దేర్ క్వాలిటీ, దేర్ కలెక్షన్, కలర్స్, ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ రిచ్, వెరీ రాయల్. అండ్ నాకు పర్సనలీ ఈ జ్యువెలరీ చాలా నచ్చింది. సో డెఫినెట్గా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి షాపింగ్ చేస్తున్నాను అండ్ మీరు అందరూ కూడా చేయాలి. ఐ థింక్ దే హ్యావ్ 77
exchange value, yeah. We are the highest in Hyderabad, who is offering 77% exchange value, and he's the mastermind behind it.
We've got about 2,300 designs in under one roof, and all in 92.5 fine silver jewelry. We've got collections as Victorian, Nakshi, Polki, Kundan. We've got many sterling silver. We've got temple. I would urge anyone who can visit, please visit. You will love something for yourself. Thank you so much, Nidhi, for gracing the occasion. The brand's value has gone way higher once you've come in.
We are trying to be different in the market, and the way we can be different in the market is trying to do something that the other jewelers are not doing. And we truly respect all our customers, everyone, every single person who is coming here and who's even coming in, giving their time. It's equally important to us. We are trying to keep different variety in terms of various designs, considering Polki, Victorian, Nakshi, Temple, CZ, so that we have a mix of all the category people. And we are not only Telugu, we are not only catering the local crowd here, but our focus is to be like a brand who can cater everyone and every single person in Hyderabad.
We have running offer for Akshaya Tritiya, especially we have flat 25% off, and that is just running for this month. We want all of you to join us and explore the collection. This is just the start for the Arnora journey. We're hoping to get much more stores and much more collection for you guys. Thank you.
Beautiful Sakshi with us. And I also request Sahil sir, Nikhil sir to please kindly join us on stage. Our founders of Arnora Silver Jewelers in the city of Hyderabad, right at Paradise Circle. We'd like to have Sahil sir, Nikhil sir right here with us. Guys, come on everybody, can we hear some noise one more time for Nidhi Agarwal? So well, we have the Diva with us and the launch of Arnora Fine Silver Jewelers. A quick question to this beautiful Diva. So ma'am, I want to know, you being a total lover of jewelry, and are you someone who goes with minimum silver jewelry look, or you like statement pieces?
సో హలో హైదరాబాద్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు మీరందరూ? చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాను. మీడియా అందరూ చూడడానికి వెరీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు సీ ఆల్ హియర్. సో కమింగ్ బ్యాక్ టు యువర్ క్వశ్చన్, డూ ఐ లైక్ జ్యువెలరీ? ఐ లవ్ జ్యువెలరీ. I think Arnora is all about celebrating women, right? So super happy to be here. I like all kinds of jewelry. Naku anni jewelry nachtundi. Statement pieces nachtundi and temple jewelry chala nachtundi.
Awesome, awesome. We have seen you in your amazing Bollywood Tollywood journey. What's that one jewelry which can define your aura and your beauty?
One jewelry piece. Maybe what? Gold? Yeah, gold. Because
And if it is any jewelry ornament which you love wearing all the time?
I love earrings. Naku earrings chala nachtundi. I don't think there's a single day I go by not wearing earrings. I need something in my ear. So earrings would do it for me.
Amazing. And we have a very important question. Silver is timeless and trending. What makes it your go-to accessory, especially for today's generation?
I think it's very convenient because we travel a lot. So you don't need to worry that much. Easy ga travel cheyochu, light ga undi, and most important thing, it's very affordable. So I think you get beautiful designs, very affordable, travel friendly. So yeah, all the right places.
Awesome. And you have just had a tour at Arnora Jewelers. I want to know, how was the collection? Our audience would like to know from you.
Collection చాలా బాగుంది. నాకు జెన్యున్గా చాలా నచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ డిజైన్స్ చాలా మంచి డిజైన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఐ థింక్ దే హ్యావ్ ఆల్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ కలెక్షన్స్. దే హ్యావ్ టెంపుల్ జ్యువెలరీ, విక్టోరియన్ స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ జ్యువెలరీ, స్టేట్మెంట్ పీసెస్, పోల్కి అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ జ్యువెలరీ కలెక్షన్. అండ్ చాలా మంచిగా ఉంది, అఫోర్డబుల్గా ఉంది, అండ్ ఇట్ లుక్స్ వెరీ రిచ్ ఫర్ సమ్ రీజన్. దాట్స్ సంథింగ్ దట్ ఐ నోటిస్డ్. ఇక్కడ జ్యువెలరీ లుక్ చాలా రిచ్గా ఉంది.
So you love the collection over here?
I love the collection, and I think I heard you speaking that it starts from 200, so I'm koncham shock I am, but yeah.
Okay, well, we have an ongoing Flat 20 fire with Nitin Agarwal. Guys, are you ready? This is going to be...
Am I ready?
This is going to be very interesting. A quick rapid fire. We're going to give any moment for Nidhi to think this or that. So yes, let's do this. Silver or gold?
Today silver.
Minimal or statement?
A statement.
Rings or earrings?
Earrings.
Neck pieces or bracelets?
Neck pieces.
Indo-Western or traditional?
Traditional on.
Heels or sneakers?
Sneakers.
Red carpet glam or casual chic?
Red carpet glam.
Now something with jewelry, because this being a day for jewelry. So chunky silver or delicate silver?
I think chunky.
Layered chains or single pendant?
Layered chains.
Stacked rings or one statement ring?
One statement ring.
Anklets, yes or no?
Anklets, yes, the more the better.
Diamonds or silver shine?
Today I'm going to stick to silver. Yeah, today is a silver day, so silver.
Okay, well, something related to your profession. Early morning shoot or night shoot? What do you prefer?
Morning shoot.
Dancing or acting?
Acting, but dancing also.
Script first or styling first?
Script first.
OTT binge or gym session?
OTT binge.
Beach holiday or mountain gateway?
I think right now chala heat undi, so I would love to run away to the mountains. No need for beaches right now.
Okay, last one, coffee or green tea?
Coffee.
Any message for your fans over here?
I just want to say love you guys. Thank you so much. నాకు ఎప్పుడు చాలా లవ్ ఇస్తున్నాను, so really thank you, love you all.
People working behind the end night. Sahil sir, Nikhil sir, I would like to request you to please share a few words on this grand day and launch.
Welcome all of you with open heart. Please come inside, see the collection. Please let us know how you feel. We are here, happy to help you. Thank you so much for being here.
Well, everybody, do everybody hands up in the air. Anything, please join. What everybody? Woo! Everyone! Come on everybody! With that, ladies and gentlemen, Koma Show Machado for Chief Guest ready for the launch of Andhra dress, Nidhi Agarwal! Thank you so very much for being a part of our pleasure having you here. Any last message you would like to give us?
సో అందరూ అరోరా జ్యూల్స్ రావాలి, ఇక్కడ షాపింగ్ చేయాలి. కలెక్షన్ నిజంగానే చాలా బాగుంది. అండ్ సీ యూ ఆల్ సూన్. లవ్ యూ ఆల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్వేస్. చాలా చాలా లవ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సహనా సహనా చూసేనా నా ముదురిక నోవే అంటూనే ముడులను వేసేనా శరత్ చంద్రికాంతి జయాన్ని
Ladies and gentlemen, come on, that's your very favorite. Everybody, Zona, Halla, ho jaye, Shur ho jaye, put Nidhi Agarwal, everybody! Okay, well, you being such an amazing audience. Thank you, Hyderabad, for all the love. And we open you all for a grand